Today I'm going to cook 4 different dishes using chicken. First of all, cut off chicken into different parts. Take off both wings. Mark spine as a guideline. Follow guideline to separate legs. Follow breastbone and ribcage to cut off chicken breast. First dish I'm going to cook is chicken broth soup. Add 1.5 liter water, chicken bone, half onion, few peppercorn, chicken breast. Boil it for 1 hour. Pour chicken breast and garnish with green onion. Next is stuffed chicken wing. For stuffing, small diced carrot, onion, potato, sliced green onion. Add half tablespoon of sugar and oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of minced garlic, little bit of chicken broth. Cut and debone drummet. Debone the center of the chicken wing. Stir fry drumlet on high heat pan. Add carrot and potato. Onion and green onion. Stir it with gochujang sauce. Put half cup of water and cook it for 15 minutes. Chill the stuffing and mix with mozzarella cheese. Stuff the filling into chicken wing. Use skewer to seal the wing. Cook it in medium heat. Put a little more sauce on the top. And finish with sesame seeds. Next dish is chicken schnitzel with Parmesan cheese. First take off the skin. Butter fry the chicken breast. Heat it with meat tenderizer for softer meat. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Flour and dry oregano. Egg. Breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese. Cover chicken breast with flour, egg, breadcrumb and parm, pan fry it in medium heat, flip and add 2 knobs of butter, garnish with fresh herbs and lemon. Last dish is Oyakodon, sliced onion, separate thigh and leg, debone thigh, debone leg, sear chicken from skin side, flip them when skin is crispy, in same pan add sliced onion, add quarter cup of juice, half cup of water, add seared chicken, and cook it until boiled. Lower the heat and put whisked egg on the top. Cook it for 5 minutes. These are my 4 simple chicken recipes. Thank you for watching.